Here's how you can turn on auto capitalize as well as double tap spacebar to add a period. This is for Samsung keyboards on Galaxy phones with One UI 8.0. So let's just say you're about to start typing and your keyboard shows up like this here. You're gonna see this little setting icon right here on the top area. Tap on that one time, that'll take you to your Samsung keyboard settings. Now, once you're here, you're gonna look for the more typing options. This one right here. And then you'll see auto capitalize. So I'll go ahead and turn these two on just to show you, which I have already. And what's going to happen is basically for the auto capitalize, what this does is if you are, let's just say you're typing something, right? So usually as you start typing, it's going to automatically capitalize your letters for you. Notice how they're all capital now. And I'll just go ahead and type something here. And you notice how they all become the lowercase. Now, auto capitalize, basically when you press enter to start a new line, you'll notice all the keys go into all caps mode. Okay, so that is what auto capitalize does. And if you don't want that, turn it off. And of course, double space gives you a period instantly. So if I go ahead and do 1, 2, that's going to create a period for you. Okay, so after you start and finish typing like something here and you do 1, 2, that's going to create the period. So it has to be right after you finish typing something. So I'll go ahead and just do this here again and then 1, 2, and you'll see that period shows up for you. So like and sub.